back to CNC Equipment's YouTube channel. We're going to give you guys a little update tour, a little lot walk around. Monster truck video, not today, sorry. We're going to show you what's going on in our videos, upcoming videos, what we got for sale in the lot and all that good stuff. So where are we starting? We've got a whole shop full. It doesn't even look like a heavy equipment shop right now.
That's all right.
It's actually Saturday. You guys are watching this the next day on Sunday. Give you a little current update. So working on our personal Ford tractor. That's another one we got a video coming out on that. Pretty sure this looks like the cab off the monster truck. I think Kevin has adopted it. We did do a cab swap yesterday. That video, we got a couple videos on this thing, but they're not on our YouTube channel. We've got another channel. It's called Patreon. You can go down below in the description if you guys want to sign up to be a member. It's all ad-free. We've got a couple different tiers. The first tier will get you early access to all of our YouTube videos like a week earlier. So if you guys want to see our YouTube videos out in a little advance, I guess early, a week early. We got like a silver tier, then we got a gold tier where you guys want to see some of this, I guess, monster truck. These kind of videos tank my channel, so I know there's people like watching this stuff. So anyway, we've got a separate channel just for that. You guys can watch all that. We'll have about a bonus video a month. There's one that's popped out already. You guys can go watch. It's actually a golf cart video. We'll try to show you that here in a second. So if you want to watch that golf cart video, make sure you sign up for the gold membership on there. This one will be coming out probably next month. Got some gear changes going on with Bloody Mary there in Hunter's Bronco. There'll be a video coming out on that pretty soon. So we've got a very exciting project in the works too. Top secret. There's parts of it laying around out here. We've got black dozer blades, black tracks, and I'll throw a quick little picture up here. Get y'all excited. So the golf cart video that just popped out on Patreon, it's pretty epic. I got the golf cart from Let's Dig 18.
Yes.
Got it for free. So I'll throw a couple clips in here, but
I know.
we got tied up, didn't get it finished, but we are going to get it finished. It'll probably be, if we do finish it, it'll be on that Patreon channel if everything goes well. So there's parts, so you guys can probably see it looks like a Ford Bronco. So that thing is stupid fast also.
Yes.
But all right, we starting in the back where all the junk's at.
Sure.
The good stuff. We even got a red Dodge truck out there.
Yeah. Custom built.
So we've got a whole nother build series coming up, I think starting next week on another 450G. It's going to be very epic. Make sure you guys, I think there's like 7 episodes coming up on it, so we're finishing the last one now. But it's going to be pretty epic. So inside the shop there too, I forgot to show them, we got their toolbox that we getting ready to ship out that we gave away. So have you looked at this?
No.
You should take a look at this.
No, I don't want
Logging dozer.
Oh. Hey,
have you ever seen that happen? They ripped the whole side out of the winch.
Come on now.
Second, we were probably pushing sideways or something.
They were probably trying to anchor it to the trailer.
Yeah.
They had their come along on it.
Just when you think you've seen it all. I've never seen that happen.
500-pound ratchet strap.
But yeah, anyway, congratulations to Brandon on winning our Harbor Freight toolbox giveaway. We're shipping that out next week to him. We got another tool giveaway coming up too, so that's another thing. If you guys sign up for our gold membership on our Patreon channel, it automatically enters you to win the next tool giveaway. It's going to be coming out pretty soon in some videos. So what we got out here? More cat?
Yeah, meow.
Kitty cats. So I got an epic video coming out. We drug in what, 3 dead cats, cab over, semi, and what else? Is that it?
3 cats.
4? I don't know.
Yeah, that's 4.
We'll see more of it. TD25, we drug it in, oh, what, almost a year ago? I can't remember. Been using it for parts. You guys know we rebuilt TD25G on our channel. I sold it. I said I was going to keep it, but I've got a backup here. We've just not got to it yet. So one day we'll get to this one.
But you need to answer this question.
I do. We get so many questions on these winches on the back of this thing. So we got America going on out here, red, white, and blue.
4th of July.
4th of July weekend here. So we got 3 winches. This dozer is actually used like in a power line application where they're pulling the big power lines through cross country. They could tie like 3 lines on this thing at once and pull them through. The airplane ran in our video. But that's what this was for, so it's not had very much use as far as pushing dirt and stuff. So I think it's going to make an excellent tractor, but it needs some line boring and some stuff like that. I'm probably going to yank all those winches off, so if somebody needs 3 massive winches, there you go.
Did I say 8,000 pounds a piece?
Well, that's what that sticker says.
Those are very big winches.
If you want to go get you a Harbor Freight 8,000 pound winch and hook onto this, so we can see which one breaks first.
I mean, surely they missed something.
Yeah, no, those are big old winches.
Maybe it's for the rope that they tied to it.
No. Yeah, we're gonna get to that. You guys probably just watched a video on our track machine. It's sitting out there. That thing worked good. Still got HETs. One day we'll get to those. We got so many projects. And all the good Ford trucks are out there, right?
Yeah.
Dragline bucket. You know what I'm wanting to do? Like a 20th year reunion.
Oh yeah.
Or not reunion. I guess anniversary party.
Oh.
I'm thinking like October, but we're not sure yet. Have a big meet and greet. Do some digging with the dragline and tear up the field over here.
Tear up the drag line.
Tear up the dragline. Maybe get the TD25 out. I don't know. If we do something like that, we'll let you guys know. We got a lot going on. I did sell my parts Unimog and my other Unimogs, so we're out of the Unimog business finally. So more junk stuff. You guys seen this? Good quality Ford there. That's not junk. So we got a couple new pieces over here you guys have not seen. We've got a Cab Over International and old cable operated D6 cat dozer. None of them run. We couldn't get in running real quick, so we just drug them in. We'll probably do independent videos on each one of these, getting these things going. So that truck doesn't have very many miles on it. It's all ex-Navy military stuff. So what we got out here? We got blacktop equipment next door.
Okay.
Think we're gonna blacktop?
Bring your actor by ball of it.
I think we tear it up. Got an 850K pipe layer. You guys remember I bought like, what did I buy, 12 of these little dozers?
Yeah.
I think you got one in the paint shop. There's one more out back, but I think Jay sold 2 of them yesterday, didn't he?
Looks like a sideshow got left off of one too.
Looks like we may need to put that on there. It looks like a junkyard around here. Some guy came and looked at every single one of them we had and finally picked one out that he liked, I guess. So apparently Jay was in a hurry to go home.
I see another one missing.
So yeah, we've got, I don't know, maybe 2 of these things left right now. Let me get these put on here. Kevin painted all of them, made them look like $1 million. Apparently they really liked this one and run it a whole lot, but didn't buy it, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, TD8, TD9, we got another TD9H in the booth. Stuff is listed for sale on our website. Do have a D5K, it's still for sale with the winch on it. D6D, this is a good machine. I don't know why it's not sold. Probably because it doesn't look pretty. We may pretty that one up. We got another 755K in that you made look beautiful again.
Yeah, that's right.
We've got a video coming out. Tucker, the whole bottom of that bucket was wore out. He replaced the whole bottom of the bucket. There's a video coming out on that. Put new undercarriage on this thing. Nice machine. It's got like 4,000 hours or so on it. So if anybody's looking for one, check out our website, ccsurplus.com. We got a little Mini out here.
Hitachi.
Getting lonely. Hitachi's the same thing as John Deere, at least this vintage was. This 750J, we did a little video on that. There's actually a couple of videos on this. I picked this thing up. Be a video pretty soon coming out, trucking video. But I looked at it, and when I looked at it, it was running right. When I went to go pick it up, it wasn't running right, so we had some issues with that.
Oh.
Got that fixed.
Oh, you got pterodactyls around here? Look at that.
Somebody don't like you. Anyway, there's a couple of videos of us fixing this. Kevin got it painted. A couple more 35Gs. Got one little roller left. Got some new forklifts. Look at that, ninja wheelie time. Oh, we got the golf cart for sale. We got it all here. Got a super clean Ford 555C backhoe, one owner. This thing is a 1990, but this is a very super clean backhoe. If anybody's looking for one, they can be Captain Kleeman, can't they?
Yeah.
This thing has extended hoe. Pins out right now, but this is all original paint. It's kept inside. It's got a hydraulic quick coupler, bucket, forks, and a jib boom. All comes with it. That thing is pristine. So, come out of an energy company up in Canada, I believe. So, got this big dude still sitting here. One day we might get the old dragline bucket on. I know I keep saying that, but we're busy. Little killdeer.
Little baby deer.
Killdeer. Now what you call these little birds?
Yeah.
Interrupting our video. So the rest of everything's pretty much the same.
Yep.
That Unimog sold. We got a couple trailers there. I did put up the green and white monster truck for sale. It's on Facebook.
Ooh, we almost had somebody miss that turn.
That would have been epic right when we were shooting a video. You guys don't know we have a 90-degree turn right here, and probably, what do you say, every 2 months or somebody that goes straight and across the ditch into the cornfield.
Mm-hmm.
When we first built this place,
It was a weekly basis.
so the funny story is, we built this over the summer and this highway was closed just right down the road, so there's like no traffic coming through here, and all of a sudden they opened the road up and here this big place is all. So everybody's looking at this place and not paying attention to this turn. So like, I'm talking weekly, people were crashing over there. It was funny. So shop truck's looking good. As always, we got Jeep bodies in stock. We've got a Bommalite mini skid steer still sitting here in stock, brand new. If you guys are looking for one of those, it'll cut you a heck of a deal. What else we got, Bubby? There goes one of them jet airplanes. Boy, you've got a mess in here. Oh, there's something also.
Me?
We got something cool coming. You guys see this right here? The laser cleaning machine. And the old Harbor Freight toolbox. It's all wrapped up. We're gonna get it put on a pallet Monday and shipped out to Brandon. So
This place ain't ever gonna be the same.
it's not, is it? You're gonna cry.
Maybe.
Yeah, there's a full video coming out in that. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. Like I say, we do have another toolbox video giveaway coming out pretty soon. We're gonna give it away around Christmas time, so we'll make it simpler to win it. All you gotta do is go buy a piece of merchandise on our website, and or sign up as a gold member on our Patreon account. It's gonna get you entered to win. It's pretty simple, but be more details on that coming up soon. So anything else? It's kind of what's going on at CNC Equipment.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like a truck shop right now.
Feels good, doesn't it?
Come Monday, it's gonna be all different. So
Yep.
guys, make sure you're subscribed for sure. Fake bullet holes. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out, because we do have an epic dozer build going down. Something we've never done before, so I'm not going to give that away yet. You guys make sure you stay tuned for that. So it kind of turned into, needed like something little fixed on it, and then we went to full-blown restoration and full-blown paint job. And anyway, anything else? I think that's it. So we appreciate all you guys watching. You want to help us support us on some of these other projects, make sure you check out our Patreon channel. And as always, guys, we'll see you next time. Everything hooked good?